Hi everybody. On Wednesday, September 16th, we'll be hosting a webinar on silicon photonics co-packaging, a topic that should be of interest to people across the optical networking industry. Silicon photonics, of course, is advancing very rapidly with much improved manufacturing techniques for bringing lasers on chip and for integrating with high precision, high count fiber assemblies. Our guests for this webinar are Alexander Yantopolzinski of IBM Canada and Vikas Gupta of Global Foundries, two leading players in silicon photonics. This is the second in a series of webinars brought to you by DuPont and its Silicon Valley Technology Center and COBO, the Consortium for Onboard Optics. It's a free webinar. Everyone's welcome to attend. The registration link is below. If you're unable to make it on Wednesday, a replay of the event will be posted shortly afterwards. And I'd like to thank you for your interest, and to DuPont and COBO.